Geotechnical investigation services in Chattarpur are essential for any construction project in the area. Geotechnical investigations provide valuable information about the stability and load-bearing capacity of the soil, which is crucial for the design and construction of foundations, retaining walls, and other structures. With the rapid growth in construction activities in Chattarpur, it is imperative to seek professional geotechnical investigation services to ensure the safety and longevity of the structures being built. Scon Design Delhi is a reputable company that offers geotechnical investigation services in Chattarpur. They have a team of experienced geotechnical engineers who are well-versed in conducting thorough investigations and providing accurate reports. The company utilizes advanced equipment and techniques to gather data about the soil and rock conditions at a site. This data is then analyzed to determine the engineering properties of the soil, such as its bearing capacity, shear strength, and permeability. These parameters are crucial in designing foundations that can withstand the loads imposed by the structure and the surrounding environment. Geotechnical investigation services provided by Scon Design Delhi include various activities such as site exploration, soil sampling, laboratory testing, and geotechnical analysis. Site exploration involves assessing the topography, subsurface conditions, and geological features of the area. Soil sampling is done to collect representative samples of soil and rock from different depths for laboratory testing. Geotechnical investigation services in Chattarpur are essential for any construction project. By conducting geotechnical investigations, engineers and designers can gather important data that helps in making informed decisions about the design and construction of structures. Chattarpur, being a rapidly developing area in Delhi, requires geotechnical investigation services to ensure the safety and stability of buildings and infrastructure. The geological conditions in Chattarpur can vary significantly from one location to another. Therefore, it is crucial to conduct a thorough investigation to understand the properties of the soil and rock formations in the area. Scon Design, a reputable company in Delhi, provides geotechnical investigation services in Chattarpur. With their expertise and experience, they can assess the soil's bearing capacity, its ability to withstand loads, and its potential for settlement or expansion. This information is crucial in determining the appropriate foundation design for a structure. During a geotechnical investigation, various tests are conducted to determine the soil's properties. These tests may include soil sampling, laboratory analysis, and in situ testing. Scon Design has a team of skilled engineers who are well-versed in these techniques and can provide